Hello everyone, how are you doing? We were not expecting to come back so early, but many of you texted us to update our Bitcoin analysis as soon as possible. So here we are. If you remember, we had two perspectives on the price action of Bitcoin. The last update was a Wyckoff analysis, which gave us a hint on Bitcoin going above sign of strength zone and making a new all-time high. And look what happened. Price followed our analysis just as expected. Even if we look at the daily pattern, we got a pump right as planned. First, liquidating some shorters here, giving them some hope, and then boom. With the election of Mr. Trump, the whole market turned bullish. Now we can say that this analysis has delivered its target, and it is possible to even go further, but we can say that this analysis is finished and we got almost 17% profit from this zone, and the target is perfectly done. And we can say that this Wyckoff analysis is completely finished, and we can look for new patterns in the price of Bitcoin. But what about our second perspective, the one that we published earlier? Well, if you remember, we had a diametric pattern as well, and we told you that we had the first wave A, B, and C. I'm not going to talk about wave A because we fully talked about this area in our previous analysis, and I just want to update you on what is happening with the current price of Bitcoin. So the first pattern is finished just as expected. We got A, B, C, D, E, F right here, and then G. So our diametric pattern was perfectly finished. And then what happened is that we got an X wave to connect this diametric pattern to a new pattern happening here. Well, what may be happening around this zone is probably a triangle pattern. So we could say that in this zone, after having our X wave finished here, we can say that maybe price is forming a triangle pattern like this, and once this pattern is finished, maybe something like this. This is just a speculation because we have to wait and see how price is going to behave to these important resistance zone, because here we have a very important monthly resistance area, and we need to see price stabilize above this resistance zone. And once we stabilize above these resistance area, we can say that, okay, maybe price will range a little bit around here and giving some room for altcoins to grow. And we may eventually see an alt season happening in the cryptocurrency market. By watching our videos, you should have understand by now that we cannot say, okay, for sure we're going to have a triangle, because price moves step by step. So we have to just wait and see what kind of pattern will unfold around this area. Because as we said before, wave B needs some time. And this zone can actually give Bitcoin some room to play in order to have money flow back into altcoins and have them grow as well. Our final target for Bitcoin after playing in the 78K area is coming back, gathering some momentum around this resistance zone, and finally attacking the 80K level. The quality of breaking an all-time high here will give us an idea on whether we will have a correction happening and eventually market going down in 2025, or the crypto market blooming all over to 100K area. So don't get ahead of yourself. Just stay with us. We will update this analysis for you step by step. And what you need to do is to first apply proper risk management and not FOMO into buying without proper risk management. And secondly, please follow us on YouTube, Telegram, and turn on the notification so you will not miss any more analysis. If you have any questions, send a message to our admin on the Telegram channel or just write your question on the comments under the YouTube video. I hope you have enjoyed this 27% growth since our entry zone. I hope to see you again very soon. Stay safe and have fun.